Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to record a Discord call. So guys, first let's go to a call on a Discord. So first go to Discord, and now of course go to one of your server, and then go ahead and join one of the voice channels. So now from here, of course, people are talking, and if you want to record the interaction, what you could try to do is you could just simply go to another tab and search for OBS Studio. So pretty much this is the one that I'm currently using making the video. And from here, go for the OBS Studio. And after that, just simply select whether you are Windows or Mac OS, and now it will be downloaded. So you just have to simply download the OBS and just simply install it into your device. And now, once you have done that, of course, just simply run the program in order for you to install the OBS. And guys, from here, just simply select next. And of course, since I am already running the OBS, I won't be able to proceed. But if you do, you should be able to see something like this. And you just have to add a display capture into the sources and select your monitor. And from there, you should be able to have and start recording your videos right over here. So pretty much it is a very friendly interface, and you should be able to start recording your call into your Discord.